Na-pressure na ako.
Puyo lang sa...
Hey guys, it's me, Isa, and welcome back to Bayhana. It's officially been a week since we've been advised to practice social distancing. And if you don't know what these things are until now, then I wanted to create this video and interview as many Bayhanas as possible so that I could hear what's going on in their lives and how it's affected them and how they're coping with it. Enjoy! Let's call my Gaya Chris. I love her. Hi! Gopahagod!
Hi guys, it's me, Andrea Taylor. I am a mommy vlogger from Davao City.
Hey guys, my name is Yasheen. I do vlogs on YouTube and I'm also a college student.
My name is Victoria Ray M. Vale. I am a cancer warrior. I've been working from home. I do hosting as well.
I am Dawn. I'm currently a postgraduate student.
My name is Journey. I'm a doctor, mom, and a health and fitness advocate. When I'm off duty, I volunteer for a group called Bayhana Mission, wherein we do donation drives and prepare home quarantine food bags for our indigents and daily wage earners who can't stay home.
First couple of days was fine because like you take advantage of the time being home with the news happening and everything. You kind of just sank in with everything that this is not like a mini vacation.
My screen time increased about 50%. My course is kind of demanding in terms of activities, so we have a lot of things to comply during this whole break.
Last week, I made a call for bikers. 26 people came to volunteer. What we originally aimed to do was to help senior citizens and PWDs by doing their groceries for them, but it became difficult for us to reach the LGUs. And so what we're up to now is we're actually collaborating with this amazing group. It's called Bayhana Mission. They repack goods and distribute it to target audience like street dwellers, pedicab drivers, and the likes. We hand them basic goods such as food, and we also educate them on what COVID-19 is about.
Life under quarantine is different for us healthcare workers and other frontliners like sila Kuya Chip, mga security guards, and janitors. While everybody else is asked to stay home, we have to continue doing our jobs.
It makes me so guilty that I'm home doing nothing, but at the same time there's really nothing I can do, plus the kids are there, so I have to be there for them.
I really miss the life outside my house.
Honestly speaking, I have anxiety because I am immunocompromised due to cancer. I panic a lot and think a lot.
I feel great that I'm able to help, but also there's this feeling of helplessness because it's a virus and it's something we can't physically fight off.
I have mixed feelings throughout this whole thing. Sad, angry, frustrated, kasi ako kasabot.
Magsigig anha ang taga-barangay?
Social distancing, curfew po.
Maayo. Man ka nag-inom-inom inyong mga silingan dira.
When you're talking to kids, you don't want to scare them about life. Because like if you tell them like, oh, people are dying, you can't say that to kids. So I try to like, oh, people are getting sick, that's why you have to wash your hands, you have to do this.
Being a student, I find it hard to communicate with my blockmates about the activities that we have to do because most of them are in group activities. Secondly, the internet connection, because now I'm in my province.
There's a difficulty to locate my sources or my needs. My camel drugs, my milk is from Manila, and it's very difficult because there are no logistics at hand.
Struggles, I can go on. The lack of manpower, the lack of resources.
Every day going to work is like going to the battlefield, not knowing who your enemy is and without wearing any armor. Because of the shortage of the proper protective equipment, people are discriminating healthcare workers. Makapungot sad ba nga more? They're trying our best to help other people, but still, there's still people who are just inhumane and plain rude.
I really relate to fitness. We do yoga with the kids. Try not to hoard so much. We also have to think about the other moms. Just really try to keep the kids entertained. We do crafts a lot.
If you guys are required to do online activities, please don't go out. I know your teachers or your professors would really understand if you guys can't submit on time. I also encourage everyone to stay updated. Knowledge is power.
Watch cat videos or funny cat memes. We try to live normally as much as possible. Always choose to be kind.
If you don't feel like doing your academic homeworks, it's okay. If you don't want to work out, that's okay. I think right now what we need to really and truly understand is that we have to help each other cope.
Educate ourselves and help other people understand what's happening with the world. Puyo lang sa jud mo diha sa inyong balay. We can all do this together. Kaya ra lagi ni nato, guys. Together we can fight COVID-19.
I hope that the Bayhanas that you saw in today's video inspired you. We're all going through a hard time, but there is light at the end of this tunnel. I want to say a huge thank you to all the Bayhanas that participated in this video. It means so much to me for you to give people a glimpse of your private lives and how you're coping with the situation. Your words have definitely inspired an entire community, and I hope that that sparks a fire in all of us to aim for greatness, to aim to be better, to aim to fight all these bad feelings that we're feeling, and of course to help out in the community as much as we can. If you like this video and if you want to keep having these conversations of Bayhanas that support other Bayhanas, make sure to be a part of the Bayhana community group. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I'm Lisa, and of course, don't forget to follow ByTV as well. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Take care, okay? Bye!